Why the monsoon season in Southeast Asia feels so different. When most travelers hear the word monsoon, they imagine something negative: heavy rain, storms, trips ruined by bad weather. But in much of Southeast Asia, the monsoon season creates a completely different atmosphere, one that many travelers end up loving. During the rainy season, countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia transform in ways that surprise most visitors. Landscapes turn deep green. Rivers and waterfalls become powerful again. The air cools down after months of intense tropical heat. And the crowds slowly disappear. Instead of packed beaches and busy tourist streets, many places feel calmer and more authentic. Rain during the monsoon rarely lasts all day. Instead, it often comes in short bursts. Dark clouds roll in, the sky opens for 20 minutes, and heavy tropical rain pours down. Then, just as quickly as it started, the rain stops. The streets begin to dry, steam rises from the warm ground, and the world feels refreshed. One of the most beautiful parts of the monsoon season is how alive nature becomes. Rice fields glow bright green. Jungle landscapes grow thick and vibrant. Waterfalls that were once small streams become powerful cascades. For photographers and travelers who love nature, the rainy season often reveals the most dramatic scenery. Cities feel different too. In places like Bangkok or Ho Chi Minh City, sudden rainstorms transform the streets. Motorbikes rush for cover. Street vendors pull down plastic roofs. Reflections of neon lights appear in the wet pavement. For a moment, the chaos slows down, and the atmosphere becomes strangely cinematic. Another unexpected advantage of the monsoon season is space. During peak tourist months, famous destinations can feel crowded. But during the rainy season, many places become quieter. Temples, beaches, and markets often feel more relaxed. You're able to experience destinations without the constant rush of visitors. Of course, traveling during the monsoon requires flexibility. Some days will be rainy, plans might change, but many travelers discover that the rhythm of the season becomes part of the experience. Instead of rushing from attraction to attraction, the rain encourages slower moments. Watching the clouds gather over tropical mountains, sitting in a cafe while rain falls on palm trees, walking through markets while warm rain taps softly on rooftops. And when the sun breaks through after a storm, the world looks completely renewed. The sky becomes brighter, colors become stronger, the air feels fresh again. For many locals, the monsoon is simply part of life. It brings water for crops, it cools the heat of the tropics, and it reminds everyone that nature moves in its own rhythm. For travelers willing to embrace it, the monsoon season offers something different. Not perfect weather, but a deeper, more atmospheric version of Southeast Asia. Lush landscapes, dramatic skies, quiet moments between rain showers, and a side of travel that many visitors never see. Sometimes the most memorable journeys happen not under clear blue skies, but under the sound of tropical rain.